If you would like to change your Perdana air filter, you can do it yourself in just 5 minutes.
Okay, first you need to prepare your new air filter, and now what I'm doing is that loosen up the screw for the air intake hose. If you have not loosened this air intake hose, if you can instruct how you remove the air filter. Okay, once you got to the position where the screw is loosened up enough, you need to move the air intake hose left and right, top and bottom, which is because this is very tight. By wiggling around, it will help you to remove it even easier. So probably you remember how's location it is removed initially, so that you can install back the same way you remove the air intake hose. So you see here is very tight. I actually put some energy in it to remove the air intake hose itself. Okay, once the air intake hose is removed, you can open up the two clicks on the bottom. Really open the opening very wide, and just enough for you to slot out the old air filter from the container. The old air filter should be quite dirty, and then you observe inside the air filter, you probably can see some particles of objects, dust. Try your best to blow it out or to remove that dust from the air filter. It will help to avoid any problem when you install the new one. So because it's quite dark, I'm using my lights to view it to see if I get anything there and give it a blow. I mean, not a very good one, but at least it served the purpose. Now you can take out your fresh new white colored air filter and slot the air filter in just how you have that removed previously. After this is pretty straightforward. You can put it in place, install back the air filter how you removed it, put it very tightly and clip it all together, as well as install back the air intake hose to the right position. And once you are done with it, you are really good to go. Alright, now still struggling to insert back the air intake hose is just to make sure that I got it back into the right position. And after I have it right, I just use the screwdriver again to tighten up the screw, make sure that it is in place, nothing goes out. Alright, what you can do is just 5 minutes of your time, and then after I able to screw that down, then I should be pretty good and done.
Thank you for watching my video. If you have any further question, please put it in the comment below. And if you like me, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.